Hello, everyone. If you're annoyed by the red notification badges that appear in the app library on your iPhone, you're not alone. These little red dots can be useful, but sometimes they just create visual clutter. Fortunately, Apple allows you to turn them off in just a few simple steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to disable notification badges in the app library and enjoy a cleaner, more organized screen. Ready? Let's get started. First, go to the home screen of your phone, find the Settings app, and open it. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down and look for the option Home Screen and App Library. Tap it when you find it to access additional options. When you open this section in the Notification Badges section, you'll see an option called Show in App Library. Tap the switch next to this option to turn it off. Once you disable this option, notification badges will no longer appear in the app library. Now you can browse your apps without the distraction of red dots, reminding you unread notifications. However, it's important to note that this change only affects the app library. Notification badges will still be visible on the home screen. If you ever want to bring back notification badges in the app library, simply repeat the same steps and turn this option back on in the settings. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you soon.